everyone, it's Regina here. I set up my laptop here outside at the deck. And guys, this is my office for today. Isn't that good? Stress-free work environment, and pretty soon I'm gonna go my live stream. Right now I'm just setting up, and I'm also waiting if someone in my worldwide business partnership will join me on this live stream. So I'm Regina, and I used to work in healthcare. I used to be very stressed at work, but now look, this is my office. It's a stress-free work environment, and I'm used, and now I have lots of time of gardening. I want to show you guys, this was my harvest about few days ago. A lot of beautiful eggplant, and I really doesn't know how to eat cucumber now. I got lots of cucumber, and this is what I do, guys. I'm gonna also share with you what I do with my juicing. These are cucumber, apple, and pears, all from the garden, and I juice it and I just put it here in a jar. So this is ready to go. If I need to go for a drive, if I need to go out, then it's ready for to go. This is how it is. So this is my life as a digital business owner, and I am sharing what I know, what I love, what I do now as prioritizing my health. I am now actually, I will say that now I am healing, working for myself stress-free, and leveraging with gardening to heal me emotionally, physically, and mentally. I'm very grateful now that I managed to make a big change in my life. This digital business is not just for gardening, guys. If you love to paint, if you love to walk, just by walking. If you love to walk around and you want to take pictures and you want to share that pictures to someone in the post, just post it in social media, you can leverage with that and you can earn income with that. I'm going to teach you how to do that, how to leverage income on digital business, on digital media, in social media. All you have to do is share what you love doing, and if you love to educate people, if you love to paint, you love to surf, if you love to, of course, garden, and just basically be you. And I will teach you how to start an online business. I will teach you how to have a business. And the good thing is, we will give you an already completed website. We will teach you how to create your business email and make it secure. And we will also help you to maintain that email campaign. That email campaign alone is very expensive to do it by yourself. But if you partner with us, you will have an access to it, all included in one-time package, including all the courses that you need. You will learn almost every courses that you need. You will learn entrepreneurial skill. You will have access to educational support, and emotionally, spiritually, mentally, and also how to live healthy lifestyle, because we are gearing on healthy lifestyle. And that is why I got really attracted to this business, because when I start looking for a different source of income, I was very sick and I was actually already giving up. I was already frustrated that nothing really worked. But when I found this global community, it's really fit on my lifestyle, and it changed a lot in my life, including my family's life and including my family back in Philippines. Now, with the income I earning in online, I'm able to help my family back in the Philippines as well. And not only that, I'm not working full-time anymore. I'm no longer waking up in alarm clock. I'm no longer rushing in a traffic and sitting in the heat of the car. And the best thing is, I'm no longer reporting to bosses at 4 in the afternoon or early in the morning, right? So this is it. This is how this digital have changed my life. So join me, guys. Comment yes, and I will connect with you.